Good day, I'm Mark Vasily, and today we are talking about
Five-star hotels Secrets Royal Beach and Dreams Royal Beach Punta Cana, which are located in the area of one of the most picturesque places on the Caribbean coast of the Dominican Republic, Bavaro Beach. In November 2024, room rates at Secrets Royal Beach will range from $586 to $1,464, while Dreams Royal Beach will range from $344 to $1,227 per night. Both hotels offer guests the following amenities: on-site restaurants and a bar, free Wi-Fi, free parking, and a private beach area. Secrets Royal Beach Punta Cana is an adults-only hotel. Guests can enjoy the Dolphin Island Park, La Rivera Restaurant, and Bordeaux Restaurant, which guests rate 5 out of 5. Guests also enjoy all the perks of the unlimited luxury program, including 24-hour room service, a daily refilled minibar, and pool and beach service. In turn, the Dreams Royal Beach Hotel, also known as Now Larimar Punta Cana, is a hotel for family holidays as it offers visitors rooms for adults and children. The guests can enjoy the Seaside Grill and Portofino restaurants. A distinctive feature of the hotel is the ability to watch movies right on the beach. Guests have access to equipment for sailing, windsurfing, and kayaking, as well as basketball and beach volleyball courts. Hotels are great, but if you value freedom and privacy, consider booking a private villa or apartment in this amazing location.
subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, ring the bell, and I hope to see you soon in the Dominican Republic. Oh, almost forget. Just below this video, you are going to find a special discount so that you can book your villas or apartments in all your activities. See you soon in the Dominican Republic. See you soon in Punta Cana.